Introduction to Robotic Process Automation. Introduction to Robotic Process Automation, RPA, is the utilization of software robots to automate repetitive tasks, mimicking human actions within digital systems. RPA aims to streamline workflows, increase efficiency, and reduce errors by handling mundane tasks, freeing up human resources for more strategic endeavors. Lesson 1, Course Introduction. Lesson 2, Robotic Process Automation. Lesson 3, How RPA Works. Lesson 4, ROI Building a Business Case. Lesson 5, RPA Implementation in Enterprise. Lesson 6, List of RPA Tools and Selection Checklist. Lesson 7, Case Study on Henna Hotel. For more information, visit our website www.intelligencegateway.com.